take this off. So now I've got a brush, a water. Yeah, we're trying to take it off. And obviously everything is now mixing, so it looks a bit strange. Oh dear, OHLEEN. That oil is supposed to take it off, but not happening. Alright, so let's keep going like this, shall we? This is the final results, and I've got makeup on just so you see what it looks like with makeup on. I'll insert clips when I didn't have any makeup on and what it looks like as well. Overall, I would say this definitely worked a lot better. I could feel I was using a professional kit and the instructions were pretty clear. What I also will say is with the leftover product I had in the glass cup, I did go back on top on the tails of the brow and put some more and left it for another 10 minutes to just increase the darkness. Mind you, this is just obviously my eyebrows concealed and there's nothing in them apart from eyebrow soap to make them stand and stay in position. So I think it worked pretty well. The going for another layer after rubbing it off is absolutely optional. This is the next day, by the way. It has gone darker. It definitely has gone darker. So I think had I left it and not put another layer, I would have been fine. It was absolutely fine. It was just me being extra and I was bothered about the leftover product. So I just went and just put it on quickly, and I didn't even use the white outliner. So this is the results. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, definitely comment below or DM me on Instagram. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video next week Sunday, 6 p.m. GMT time. Mwah.